Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We got 1000 views on our how to stop input lag video, so I decided to make a part 2. Please make sure you subscribe, and let's try and hit 100 subs. The Techly Discord server is still up, so whenever you want to join you are free to do so. Also comment down below, and one of your comments will feature in the next video. Also if you've got any video suggestions, make sure you comment them down below. So in this video we are going to talk about how to stop input lag. In order to have the maximum gaming experience on GeForce Now, you need to meet internet speeds and your PC hardware requirements, and last but not least, keyboards and mouse. The keyboard and mouse I have is the G-Lab Combo Helium, which is why if you want to purchase it, the link is in the description, which is an Amazon affiliate link which will help the channel out a lot. GeForce Now says we recommend a USB gaming mouse for PC and Mac, but they also saw that inbuilt or USB keyboard, most built-in or USB keyboards work fine. It should be fine, right? Wrong. I tested it out, and it was an awful experience. It's not even like the input lag wasn't noticeable. It was there, and affected my gameplay. This is for version 2.0.70. If you need to find really cheap gaming keyboard and mouses, there will be my top pick in the description below, but generally, and USB mouse/keyboard will work. Apart from that, there are also limiting factors in FPS or lag. That's broadband speed, and how good your PC is. Well, some gameplay at the end is there to show you how well the USB keyboard and mouse is. Well, I hope you guys like that short video for you. And remember, and suggestions can go in the comments below, and you will be featured in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe for more. Peace out.